Hello everyone. Before we start, we'd like to say a heartfelt thank you for supporting ReHarmony. Your love, likes, shares, and encouragement inspire us to keep creating music for you. This song is dedicated to all of you, from all of us at ReHarmony. Thank you, and enjoy.
Lipatin ka ni kandi ko na dyan saan Tinayro amat mayanay isang sangayan Ayat akin halika gumang